Soft down there. Saw him come straight up on it. Come on, that's it, come up this way. Oh. Away from those sticks though. Net. Calm down a bit. A nice looking fish. Nice. Not big, but definitely a handful of eggs, possibly. She ain't happy to see me. Well, they look like we're hooked well, so get them close. Yeah, she's a nice heavy fish. Oh, beautiful. That's an eater, that one. Get up away from the water. We're probably going to keep this fish. Oh. Yeah, that hook wasn't coming out. Beautiful fish. First one for the day. Nice hen. Well, we are looking for fish to keep. See, that just made the whole day worth it. One fish, happy man. The only thing that can top that off now is getting another one. primo spot. There's lots of fish in there, but got some follows on camera, I think. But yeah, they weren't keen to bite. It wasn't helping that the spinner wasn't spinning. Didn't notice till after that it was wrapped up. So I'll move on a little bit more. What's the time? 12:30. Got another hour. See if we can get another fish in an hour, eh? Oh, look at that big brown right in front of me. Beautiful looking brown too. Almost looks gold. Oh, nice hit. It's a fair way down. Might have to walk over to him. Looks to be oh no, don't go in there. No, don't go in there. Oh, here he comes. Here he comes. Looks to be a bit bigger than the last one. Another rainbow. I'll let him wear himself out a bit. Try and walk over to him. Oh, don't go in the water. It's a good fish. Get away from that. Away from those sticks, man. Look at that. It's definitely a jack. I'm going to sink in the sand here. Yeah. Whoop. Come on. Over this way. Doesn't look too well. Looks like he's going to spit it soon. And this is soft stuff. Come on. That's it. It's a good close distance. Get in there. Oh, a bit slabby. There he is. Get him back. Yeah, when the water's so clear like this, I like to stay far back because, man, obviously the trout are always facing towards the flow, swimming upstream, so because I'm casting downstream, they're going to see me. I want to stay as far away as I can from the pool, so I stood on that corner there. I could have walked up here, casted from here, but doing that I could have spooked it, you know, so I just sort of stay as far back as I can so as not to scare them off. And I'll have another cast here before I go. But, yeah, this is our last spot. There's a sign up there, I don't know if you can see that. It's notice to anglers that it's all private property there. So we'll turn around. At least we've got these two down this end. Oh, he's good to go, man. He's ready to take off. There he goes. He's sweet.